Hope you guys are doing well. So we'll be continuing on with our Python lectures. Okay, and we stopped at list. So now we're doing dict. The dict is likely the most important inbuilt Python data structure. A more common name for it is a hash map or associative array. It is a flexible sized collection of key value pairs where key and value are Python objects. One approach for key dating is just to use curly braces. And you can access insert or set elements using the same syntax. Okay, you can check if it contains a key using the same syntax for checking. So basically, let's do dictionary. So then dict is represented by curly braces. Okay. And then dict1. This is the key value pair, so it is 10, 120. Key can be anything, value can be anything, right? Now how to access? So I use dict1, and then what's the key? The key is 10. Dict1 equal to 1020 is not the correct format. No, it considers it something. So yeah, just give me you can check if it contains the key using the operator. Can delete values either using the drag keyword or the pop method. Delete using pop method. Think about this converting this to a okay. The keys and values methods give you iterators. Okay, now there is something. Now the key value pairs are not in particular order. These functions output the keys and values in the same order. So for example, what I do, the keys and value so there is a method key and value methods. So converting the keys function output the keys and values in the same order. Let's see. There's a function. Get the description of the function. So let's check it in. There is a way to obtain the description. There is a shortcut. So if I do dig.keys question mark. Oh no, inbuilt. Yeah, that I know, but let's see. Inbuilt. Forgetting inline help. So I do shift plus tab. Shift and tab. Returns a set like object providing a view on the dig keys. Such signature is this, returns a set like object. Okay, this is This is the function, right? I have to invoke it. I need to call. Again, if this needs to be assigned. These are not iterators. Do a type conversion. Is list being used now? Central list is tuple. This is 10 comma. So there is no key over here. The keys and values iterators. Again, this is iterator. So what is something like colon 40, 30, 40, right? So we can say use an iterator. Then I do values again. So this is an iterator. So I can convert one dict into another using update method. So two dicts can be washed. Okay. This is the merging. Okay, now creating dicts from sequences. That is very common. No, this is something this. Merge dict. Now creating dicts from sequences. That is common to occasionally end up with two sequences that you want to pair up element wise in a dict. As a first cut, you might write code like commit to zip. This is going to give me we can do this. Dict essentially is a collection of two tuples. Accepts a list of two tuples. What is this? What is this happening now? Since why don't here we do why is it not type custom to list or tuple? Yeah, for iteration we don't need to use. Okay. We don't have to. Okay, now the mapping is equal to curly braces Mapping, creating dictum sequences. Now it is common to occasionally end up with two sequences that you want to pair up element twice in a dict. As a first cut, you might write code like mapping equal to curly braces. This is going to give me that pair, right? Presentation bit list. Where is the list? Key list and value list. Where is that? So this is somewhere from here, I guess. Yes. I'm going to generate. So why is he saying this? Oh, so what he's saying is you can consider it as two tuples, linear key and value pair together is a tuple. That is what he's trying to say. So then this is going to have the dict function accepts a list of two tuples. So this is one. Okay, so one will act as the key, another will act as a person. So if I do dict, then again can use dict. So this is model point. I need to do shift auto select description. In Jupyter notebook, I will check that. No building master in Jupyter. There should be an option. I did check that there was an option. Jupyter, where is Jupyter? Shift tab. Shift tab. Okay, so now you have predict mapping. This creates a new empty dictionary. If I have dict mapping, new dictionary initialized from a mapping object key comma value pairs. Okay, this is so inside if I write mapping, inside if I have mapping, what does it have? Safari, right? That new dictionary initialized from a mapping object's key value pairs. So I need to add two tuples here that will act as my key and value. That's what he's saying, right? Dict zip range. Oh no, so he's using zip inside. Since zip will give me two tuples, right? So I have zip. And then I need range 5, and then the other will be reverse of range 5. Is it complete? It's incomplete input. So this and this is matching. This and this is matching. And remember this. Incomplete input. This is, yeah, one more is left. See, so this is going to be range 5 will be 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Reversed. Instead of writing reverse, range. I need a start, stop, and step right in range. I can write this in the range. Now I do start at 10, increment by 1. Let's check range. Just do a shift angle. Start, stop, and then step. It's called not, it's start and stop at, oh sorry, stop at 15. And then I close this step. So now I need to, it is here, it's going to start at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah. So this value is, instead of doing reversed, this range 10, this way, this is range 10 and 15. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14. Okay. This is something. By default value, it is very common to have logic like if some key. Validate key types. While the values in date can be any Python object, the keys generally have to be immutable objects like scalar types or tuples or other objects in the tuple. Okay. There is a restriction on keys because we need for that unique identification keys should be hashable. That means a hashable value needs to be generated, else you will get an error. So keys cannot be list. Keys cannot be list. Convert it to a tuple. Directly we can't. Now set. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. You can think of decks, but the keys only no value. A set can be created in two ways. Use the set function or just do 1, 2, 3 curly braces. We can perform set operations, I guess, on this. Yeah, but then the order is not defined. Is the order defined? A set is an unknown collection of unique elements with no values. A set can be created in two ways via the set function. Via a set literal with curly braces. Yeah, I can do that by curly braces. I guess order is not defined here when we do that. That's the only difference. Oh, and sets do not have key. For sets, when we should use sets, sets is basically is for key value type or something. Yeah, it does make sense to use sets there. When to use sets? When um, yeah, when should we use set? That is the topic of discussion. That time. Okay, set. This is done. This is it. Now let's go to set. Sets is basically to perform set operations, I believe. There is no order. It will be unique. No indexing, slicing, nothing can be used. You can perform mathematical set operations. Yeah, the way to create a set is indentation. Yeah, this thing is irritating. Okay, so yeah, then let's set one. Like take sets generally must be immutable to have list like elements. It is converted into a string. Set list and did comprehensions. A list comprehension. What is comprehensions? Functions. Now we are going to study about comprehensions. These comprehensions are one of the most Python language feature. It allows you to concisely form a new list by filtering the elements of a collection, transforming the elements by passing the filter in one concise expression, they take the basic form. So first let us see what does comprehension mean. To comprehend is to understand. Matter comprehension. Comprehension in English. To basically understand or comprehend. This is a shorter format of writing, right? So in Python, why is it comprehend? Comprehension. Also, we are going to understand the sequence of operation in a more easier way. So, although this does not looks like an easier way, writing this will be much easier rather than this. Okay, so now how is going to work is, so this is the collection. This value is going to go here, and then I'm going to check for the condition, and then it's an expression. Why? So the if is this is part is alternate, right? Is optional. So this is going to happen on the last. Um, the idea behind is basically to first okay. In a one glance I can check that this is going to double the value of x. This is a dict. This has to be effortlessly. This is always going to be the same part. Because in dict we need a key, right? This will be the key. This will be the expression. So whatever return value is coming, it's going to go here. Is it so? various strings. This is going to give me in order, right? Index and the string. There should be a place where you define the strings. Okay, strings is this. Okay, so then there is string, right? So when you do enumerate, I get two things. One is the index and the value. Okay, then I need to check for each. I have a key and a value. So what is the key and this is the value? This is key, value. It's a more concise way of doing that. If I want to flatten it, by flatten it, basically remove this mm, first thing I'm going to get this tuple. This tuple is going to come here. Oh, so this is the nesting. And then this is individual values. This is the inner one. This is the innermost. This is the upper one, only this. Right. I see. Now we have something called as comprehension. The idea of comprehension is basically to comprehend, to understand in a more easier way. So syntax wise it is for list, it is list. This is going to be value. Then for I collection, then if condition. If condition is optional. So for predict, we need key value pairs, right? And then it can become predict. This is key, this is value, and this is for x in collection and condition. And then since this is syntactically not right, if I enumerate it, this is the value which is same, and this is same value. If I not don't write anything right, this appears syntactically more easy to comprehend. The innermost is valid and last, so we can have what do you say, nesting as well possible. Yeah, that's all for this video. In the next we will study about currying, and we'll study about functions, lexicons clue, and then we will check for multiple values. We will study about functions, like what are functions, first class objects and everything. That's all for this video. Hope you guys are having a good year. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.